How to make a film with zero budget. 10 proven tips for indie filmmakers. Dreaming of making a film but worried about costs? Many iconic indie films started with almost no money, just creativity and resourcefulness. Here are 10 proven tips to help you make your movie without breaking the bank. 1. Leverage your network. Ask friends and family to help with acting or crew, just like Paranormal Activity did to launch a hit. 2. Use what you own. Shoot with your phone and use real locations you have access to, as seen in Tangerine. Tangerine was shot entirely on an iPhone in real LA locations like diners and streets, showing the power of accessible settings. 3. Keep your crew small. Take on multiple roles and work with a tight team, following the examples of El Mariachi. 4. Write a script based on resources. Craft your story around locations and props you already have, like Primer's minimal settings. Primer used a story focusing on time travel in minimal locations like garages and houses. 5. Shoot with available tech. Use basic or borrowed equipment. Clerks was filmed with simple, affordable gear. The film Clerks was shot on a Stream budget with basic equipment rented cheaply. 6. DIY lighting and sounds. Use household items for lighting and record audio in quiet spaces. Use white foam board as a reflector to bounce sunlight for natural lighting. Record dialogue in quiet rooms close to the mic. 7. Scout free locations. Find public or natural spaces to film. 8. Use creative storytelling. Focus on strong characters and story as Pi did instead of expensive effects. 9. Edit efficiently. Take advantage of free editing software like HitFilm Express. 10. Distribute and promote online. Share your film on social media and free platforms. Ready to start filming? Use these tips and bring your vision to life. No budget required.